Multiple choice questions. General science set to 20 questions. Which of the following is used in pencils? Silicon, charcoal, phosphorus, graphite. The correct answer is graphite. Which of the following metals forms an amalgam with other metals? Tin, lead, zinc, mercury. The correct answer is mercury. In which of the following light produces image focus in front of retina? Presbyopia, myopia, hyperopia, hypertropia. The correct answer is myopia. Carnal bunt is disease found in which of the following cereals? Rice, wheat, maize, pulses. The correct answer is wheat. Lepidopterology is a branch of biology which deals with the following: ants, ferns, lipids and fats, moths and butterflies. The correct answer is moths and butterflies. Which among the following happens in an oxidation reaction? Electrons are gained, electrons are lost, protons are gained, protons are lost. The correct answer is electrons are lost. PVC is a polymer of vinyl chloride, propane, styrene, carbonates. The correct answer is vinyl chloride. Brass is an alloy of which of the following metals? Copper and tin, lead and tin, zinc and nickel, copper and zinc. The correct answer is copper and zinc. Which of the following units is the smallest in terms of length? Micron, nanometer, Fermi, angstrom. The correct answer is Fermi. Which of the following units is not used for measuring length? Slug, astronomical unit, parsec, light year. The correct answer is slug. Which is the SI unit of coefficient of mutual inductance? Weber, Henry, Candela, Lambert. The correct answer is Henry. What is the coefficient of restitution for a perfectly elastic collision? 10, 0, -1, 1. The correct answer is 1. Which among the following vitamin is also known as tocopherol? Vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B, vitamin K. The correct answer is vitamin E. Antipyretic medicines are used for which among the following purposes? In cough, in allergy, in fever, in diarrhea. The correct answer is in fever. Which of the following is responsible for maintenance of osmotic pressure in blood? Fibrinogen, albumin, red blood cell, platelets. The correct answer is albumin. Which of these catalysts is generally used in the hydrogenation of vegetable oils? Nickel, iron, copper, manganese. The correct answer is nickel. Which of these compounds is also known as wood spirit? Ethanol, methanol, propanol, none of the above. The correct answer is methanol. Which among the following was first human-made plastic? Bakelite, polythene, nylon, celluloid. The correct answer is celluloid. What name has given to the fear of crossing roads? Astrophobia, etichophobia, agoraphobia, agmophobia. The correct answer is agoraphobia. Which among the following are the building blocks of human body? Cells, muscles, neurons, proteins. The correct answer is cells. Thank you. Please subscribe and share.